Hi, welcome to Cafe Di Laura's Kitchen. Tonight we are going to make carbonara and we are going to use angel hair pasta, and then we are also gonna need chopped chicken marinated with salt and pepper and some chicken powder, and then we are also gonna need diced bacon, diced ham. We are also gonna need olive oil, chopped garlic, chopped parsley, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start. So we are going to start making our bacon. Turn on our stove to high heat. Okay. And then while we are making our bacon, we are going to start boiling our water in this pot. So in this pot, we are going to turn on our stove to high heat. And then we are also gonna add some olive oil and some salt in this big pot. We are going to cook our angel hair for about 5 minutes. So right now we are going to make our water boiling before we are going to start putting our pasta. So we're just gonna turn down to medium heat our stove. We don't want them to kind of easily get burnt. Okay, they're almost cooked. And then after we cook them, we are going to remove the grease from the bacon, and then we're just gonna use the same pan for our sauce. So in a minute, we're going to put them in a tray, in this plate. Okay, so we are going to turn all the way down our stove. This is cooking enough. Okay, so I am going to remove the grease from this pan. So now we are turning back to medium heat our stove. We're not gonna use this bacon grease. It's not healthy. And I am also making garlic bread for the side. Okay, so we are going to put our olive oil. So we are going to put our chicken now. Let's just cook our chicken first before we are going to put our garlic. Make sure that this is how I make my carbonara. So I'm cooking the chicken first. Make sure there's no pinkish color. Then that's the time I could put our garlic. So let's just turn our stove to high heat. Okay, so they're almost turning light brown. We are going to start putting our chopped garlic. Let's just saute it until our garlic turns light brown as well. Okay, so now we are going to put our diced ham. Okay, so let's just keep sauteing it. So in a minute, we are going to put our heavy whipping cream. Let's just boil it. Okay. And then add some black pepper. We are also like gonna turn down a little bit of our stove to medium heat. Okay, so now we are going to put our Parmesan cheese. We could also like gonna add our fresh chopped parsley. So now that our water is boiling, so we are going to put our angel pasta. And then we are just like, as I said, we are just like gonna cook our pasta for 5 minutes. Okay, it smells very nice, creamy. So I am going to try our sauce if it's like good enough salt and pepper. That's my nephew. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, but it tastes really nice, very creamy. And I'm gonna add some more salt. This looks so creamy. So now our carbonara sauce is ready. I am going to turn all the way down while our pasta is still making. So now that our angel pasta is ready, I am going to drain it and then putting in our carbonara sauce. So now we are going to put our bacon, and then we are going to mix it again. Something that I could enjoy our dinner. Okay. So now I am going to transfer in the serving bowl.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
Please like and subscribe.